Good day, it's Jay with Florida Seawall Solutions. We're a Florida company. We go all through the state of Florida. I run from the southwest side of Florida, from pretty much Marco Island all the way up to Tampa, Englewood, Placida, Sarasota. Today we're here in Englewood. We're looking at a nice straight wall at a marina. They're experiencing some erosion behind the seawall, but the wall's nice and straight. As long as the wall's nice and straight, we can fix it. The problem we're having today is there's a buildup of hydrostatic pressure that causes the erosion through the wall. So that water and the tide slowly eats through that panel seam down at that mud line. So what we're going to do today is we're going to repair that seam. We're going to hydraulic cement that seam from the mud line all the way to the top of the cap. We're going to install a guard, a seam shield guard, 1 foot into the mud line, tap con it in across that seam to protect the hydraulic route to the high water mark. Just above that, once we seal that seam off, we want to reduce that hydrostatic pressure buildup from those tides. So we're going to install a stainless steel 3-inch jet filter. That jet filter has a screen of filter fabric around it that stops the soil from coming through the wall, but it reduces the hydrostatic pressure buildup, allowing that seam to last to protect your wall for years to come. Those jet filters are maintainable. You can take them out and clean them. And from our standpoint, it's a way to decrease the hydrostatic pressure, decrease the erosion, and return your wall back to normal. The wall's nothing more than a retaining wall, so as long as it's holding the soil in behind the wall and letting the tides come and go, your wall's back to the original design. And that's what we do for Florida Seawall. We do new walls as well, but our remediation is very popular for people that want to just stop those 1, 2, 7, 10 holes behind their wall. It's a very good fix. It's something that will make your wall last, and it's something you can do to prevent your wall from collapsing.